Hello guys, we are now looking at our project. This is chat system using Python, and here I started my server in one tab, and it is showing some failure, so I restarted it again and it is working. Now let's log in. I enter the name here and some certain password, and when I log in with that, it is not logging in. So I looked what was the problem. So the user was not created, so I created the user and tested it. Yes, it is now logged in. Now I am connected to the server, and let's try with another name. Here you can see from another name also we can connect to the server. And now let's try messaging, and here we can see our server is responding us and broadcasting our message. So this is a real-time chatting system, and there is no problem in it. Now let's see how we can create a new user and add them to the chat room. Now here we run python frontend.py. As we can see, we can go to the login page as it is started, and now we added third user, I think. Here we can see we are now not logging in, so our system returns some failure, like it is not showing us or giving permission to get inside our page when the user is not created. So I am going to create a new user here. Here I am just entering some test data and checking whether the user is created or not. Yes, now the database I have already connected, so it is showing confirmation key. Now I am going to log in with that just now created account. Here we can log in, and now we are connecting it with a server. And yes, now we can see as many as we can add many user in this chatroom system, and we can create it. And now I am going to test with a message, and yes, messaging system is also working and everything is working properly. So I have created this in Ubuntu systems, and I have already imported it in my Windows system too, so everything is working fine. And yes, the project is also working fine. So thank you. Now let's test our chatting system and see this the message is also saved in our database. So I am a little bit confused about these codes and command in my mysql. Now we enter the password, and let's see. I used my database called chatroom, and then show database to show all the databases there. Yes, okay, now it is chatbox, so I use chatbox. Now show tables, I think. Yes, tables. I have created two tables for chats and user. Now I am going to open my chat table from the database. Yes, here we can see the date when the user is sending that message, and what they have sent. Everything is properly managed here and properly documented. So they were the previous user I have in our chat room, so it was also connected with that. So you can see that Sanjeev and other user. Thank you, that's all.